Hitman 2-2, over.
Hitman 2-2, you're coming in weak and unreadable. Try cleaning your handset. Try again.
Hitman 2-3, this is Hitman 2-2. How you read me now?
2-3 has you loud and clear. Out.
Hitman 2-3, this is Hitman 2-2, over.
It's 2-3, send your traffic.
Roger, be advised, Redcon 1 and 5 mics.
Solid copy, Redcon, 5 mics.
This is Hitman 2-3.
2-3, go ahead. Hey, on this canal crossing.
Digit grid, November uniform, 67312-09571, over.
10-digit grid, November uniform, 67312-09er571, out.
5 BMPs in the open, request splash, over.
5 BMPs in the open, request splash, out.
Confirm is the runway 08 left for us, MS 229?
That is correct, runway 08 left. I can offer you the right side if you like, whatever you want.
Mayday, Mayday, Mayday. Emirates 229 heavy. We have Mayday fuel and we require runway 08 right.
Okay, I checked the Mayday Emirates. Just plan runway 08 right, and I'll have the vector for you very shortly here.
Emirates 229 heavy, thank you.
And Emirates 229, are you in need of immediate landing?
Affirmative, Emirates 229 heavy.
Okay, would you like to land at Victoria Airport? It's about 10-15 miles closer.
Negative, we are set up for Vancouver, we'll go to Vancouver.
Okay, thanks. Emirates 229, I just want to be clear here. I can offer you either Abbotsford Airport, Victoria Airport. They are both a little closer, and they both have east-west runways, and either that or you can continue with Vancouver.
100, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10.